Energy is all around us, can you feel it? We use it every single day. It powers the bright lights in our homes. It helps our cool cars and buses move. We truly need energy for so many things we do. It helps us learn, work, and even play our favorite games. Think about your own house right now. Energy is busy working there, making things happen. This amazing energy is super important for all of us. For a very long time, we got our energy from old sources. These old sources are often called fossil fuels. These include things like coal, oil, and natural gas. When we burn these old fuels, they make the air dirty. This dirty air is really not good for our lungs to breathe. It can make people, animals, and plants feel sick. It is also changing our Earth's weather patterns. This is a really big problem that we need to solve together. But guess what? There is fantastic news. We have discovered new, much cleaner ways to get energy. These wonderful ways are called renewable energy sources. Think about the bright, warm sunshine we see almost every day, or imagine the strong, invisible wind that can spin windmills. These amazing energy sources don't run out, which is great. They are so much cleaner for our beautiful planet Earth. Using them is a really smart and helpful choice for everyone. This helps keep our Earth healthy and happy for years to come. Sometimes the sun decides to hide behind clouds, and sometimes the wind takes a little rest and doesn't blow. So, how can we save all that wonderful clean energy? We need a clever way to store it for later. It's like needing a giant energy lunchbox or a super battery. Scientists, brilliant minds, are thinking hydrogen could be a fantastic answer. It's a clean fuel that we can actually make ourselves and then save. This idea is so incredibly exciting for our future and for our planet. Look up at the sky, way up high. The sun is like a giant glowing star. It sends us so much light and warmth every day. We can actually catch this amazing sunlight. We use special tools called solar panels to do this job. They often look like big, flat, shiny plates you might see on rooftops. When the sunlight hits these panels, something incredible happens. They magically make electricity. Isn't that just so amazing and cool? It's like getting free power straight from the sky above us. Now let's talk a little bit about water. You drink refreshing water every single day to stay healthy. Water is made of super tiny parts, much too small to see. These tiny parts are called molecules. Isn't that a fun word? Each little water molecule has 2 bits of hydrogen, and it also has 1 bit of oxygen. That's why clever scientists call water H2O. Water is found almost everywhere on our amazing Earth. It's in our rivers, our big lakes, and our vast oceans. So we have electricity made from sunshine, and we have plenty of water all around us. Scientists can take that solar electricity, which is super clean. They use this electricity to do something amazing, split water apart. This really cool science process is called electrolysis. It might sound like a very big and complicated word, but it simply means using electricity to split water. The water separates into hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. These are 2 different, very useful gases. Here's how this awesome process works, step by step. First, the shiny solar panel collects sunlight and makes electric power. This clean power then travels through wires. It goes to a special machine for this job. This machine is called an electrolyzer, a key part of the process. Water also goes into this electrolyzer. Then, like magic, pop! Pure hydrogen gas comes out one way, and pure oxygen gas comes out another way. It is just like doing a really fun and important science experiment in a lab. So, what exactly makes hydrogen a special kind of fuel? Well, a fuel is something that can store energy. You can then use that stored energy later to make power. Hydrogen is exactly like that. It's an energy carrier. It can hold a lot of energy in a small amount. We can keep this hydrogen gas stored safely in special tanks. Then, whenever we need power, we can use it. It's like having a portable energy pack ready to go. This makes hydrogen very flexible for our energy needs. And here's something truly wonderful. Hydrogen is a super clean fuel. How cool and exciting is that for our planet? When we actually use hydrogen to make power, guess what happens? The hydrogen gas mixes with oxygen, which is in the air all around us. And together they make just pure water. Yes, that's right, clean, simple water is the only byproduct. There is no smoke, there is no yucky, smelly pollution. This is so much better for our delicate lungs to breathe. And it's fantastic for our precious planet Earth too. Think for a moment about gasoline that powers most cars today. When gasoline burns in an engine, it makes dirty smoke. This smoke contains a gas called carbon dioxide, or CO2. This CO2 gas acts like a blanket, trapping heat and warming our Earth. But hydrogen is very, very different, especially hydrogen made with solar power. It's clean to make using sunshine and water. And it's incredibly clean to use, producing only water. No CO2 is made when we use it for energy, which is a huge plus. We can use this amazing hydrogen fuel in so many different ways. It can power our cars and our city buses. It could even power big trucks and giant ships on the ocean. Some super smart scientists are even thinking it could power airplanes one day. Imagine flying high in the sky with no pollution trail behind you. Hydrogen can also be used to store extra solar energy. We can save it for times when the sun is not shining brightly. This makes it an incredibly useful and versatile fuel for the future. Using solar hydrogen power brings so many big benefits for our Earth. One of the best benefits is less pollution in our air. When the air we breathe is cleaner, we all feel much healthier. We can breathe more easily and feel more energetic. This is especially good for kids who love to play outside, and it's also great for older people too. Cleaner air will make our busy cities much nicer places to live. What a truly wonderful and happy thought for all of us. This incredible new way of making fuel also helps us fight climate change. Climate change is the slow, steady warming of our entire Earth. It's mostly caused by putting too much CO2 into the air. But solar hydrogen doesn't make any CO2 when we use it, so it helps to keep our beautiful Earth from getting too warm. This protects all the amazing animals and diverse plants. It also helps protect our homes from things like more extreme weather events. This is a very big, positive impact we can make together. Scientists are always working incredibly hard to learn new things. They really want to make this solar hydrogen process even better. They are trying to make it cost less money. This way, more people all over the world can use it. They're also finding new and safer ways to store hydrogen gas. And they are making solar panels that can capture even more sunlight. Plus, they are improving electrolyzers to make hydrogen faster and more efficiently. There are so many exciting discoveries still waiting just ahead of us. Just imagine a future world not too far away. A world that is mostly powered by bright sunshine and clean water. Our cities and towns would be so much cleaner and quieter. People would likely be healthier and happier. Our amazing planet Earth would certainly be happier too. This isn't just a far-off dream, you know. Brilliant scientists and engineers are working hard right now to make this real. Step by careful step and experiment by amazing experiment. The future of energy is looking very bright and wonderfully sunny.